If you've ever wanted to try your luck with Dogecoin without blowing your electricity bill, this little guy might be for you, the Hammer Miner DC02. It only pulls 25 watts, but still pushes around 105 mega hash per second. And hey, if you actually hit a block, that's 10,000 Dogecoin in your wallet, roughly $990. Not bad for a lottery ticket, right? Alright, let's bring out the DC02. Design-wise, it looks pretty similar to the BitAx 601, but the fan is slightly bigger, which I definitely appreciate. Inside the box, you'll also get a stand. Just mount the miner on it, tighten the small screws, and you're good to go. Clean, simple, no drama. Now let's get it online. Plug in the power, grab your phone, and check the miner's screen. You'll see the SSID clearly displayed. Head over to your Wi-Fi settings and find that exact network name. If it doesn't pop up, toggle Wi-Fi off and back on Classic Move. Tap to connect, and within a few seconds, your phone should automatically redirect you to the miner's dashboard. From there, enter your home Wi-Fi name in the Wi-Fi SSID field and your password in Wi-Fi password. Hit save, then restart. The page will close and the miner will handle the rest. Watch the screen after it says connecting. It should switch to a new interface showing the current Dogecoin and Litecoin prices. In the top right corner, you'll see your real-time hash rate and temperature. That's when you know you're officially mining. If it doesn't switch screens, double-check your Wi-Fi name and password. It's almost always that. If you want more details, press the small white button on the lower left side of the screen. And here's the important part, the IP address. Type that into your browser anytime, and you'll jump straight into the dashboard. You can monitor everything right from your phone. Super convenient. In the pool section, enter your wallet address under Stratum User. If your hash rate seems low, you can tweak the frequency and core voltage in settings, but don't go wild. If you're unsure, reach out to us first or drop a comment below. If you want updates on pricing, stock and availability, join our Telegram channel. We've got units ready and waiting. And as always, like, subscribe, and may the Dogecoin gods be on your side. See you in the next one.